The design-build process is, I believe, a rewarding process for both the customer and for us. Most of us that participate in it are passionate about what we do.
Oftentimes a customer will think about the AV needs too late in the project, and the result is you have added expense because they may have forgotten things like proper conduit, enough power. There could be ambient light in the room that they didn't think about how that's going to interfere with the projection or whatever the display technologies.
The value we bring in the design build is that all of those discussions can take place before anything is spent, besides time.
There are basically three phases to the design build process. The first phase would be scope and budget development. In that phase we meet with the customer, we go through a series of programming questions based on their needs and their desires.
Knowing what the customer's requirements are is the only way you can design for that customer.
So then we begin the design phase. It goes into two parts, which is basically infrastructure design and systems design. Infrastructure design is important because this gets the architect and the trades that are earlier in the process the information they need.
And you discuss it with those involved as to here's the direction we're going in, here's what's the thought process going in, and it's a negotiation.
The last phase is the system design drawing phase. This is where we actually design the full system based on the infrastructure and the scope and the budgets that we've developed. And once it's done, it goes through estimation and we're able to come up with the implementation contract.
The design build process is essentially the process of communication. Because once all the communication is done, the design's done.
With the continued growth of technology and communications, we want to be at the table with the architect, with the customer early on in the process so that we can help them make wise decisions and be a partner with them till the very end.